What's going on, YouTube? Just want to do a video for you guys today and basically give you guys some information on what's going on in the iPhone community. Alright, first big thing that's on everybody's mind is the iPhone 4, or matter of fact the 4.1 jailbreak. And people are saying, is there one? When does it come out? What's the name of it? That's not up to me. That's on the people that release it. But I will tell you that yes, there is a 4.1 jailbreak for the iPhone 4 as well as the other devices. Second of all, the upgrade to 4.1. I'm sure most of you guys have taken heed to all the warning videos and the messages saying, stick with 4.0.1 or 4.0.2. Don't upgrade to 4.1 just yet. That way you can preserve your baseband. I will tell you that there is a way, and I will show you here in a second, to upgrade to 4.1 without touching your baseband. So basically, you can upgrade to 4.1, and once you get your hands on the jailbreak tool, jailbreak your phone, you will keep your unlock because you have the 1.59.00 baseband preserved. Another quick thing, what's up with this? Here's my game center. I have no friends. I feel so lonely. Please add me. There's my name. Anyways, okay, back to business here. Alright, now, first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and connect your device. And as you know, like always, iTunes pops up. Let me go ahead and scroll up here. Let me get my phone number and information out the way first. If this is going to let me scroll. Alright. So, yeah, there you have it. Software version 4.1. Just what I tell everybody whenever they're going to do a firmware update or custom firmware, custom software, go ahead and connect it. Let iTunes back everything up. So just in case there's a problem or you don't like the update, you have everything backed up anyway. Alright, now next what you're going to want to do is run Tinyumbrella. And let me see if I have mine up. No, I don't. Okay, so there it is. Tinyumbrella. The newest version is 4.1.4. Go ahead and run that. Yes, let it do its thing. And let's wait for that to pop up. Okay. And as you'll see, you have your device. Where the heck did my mouse go? Okay, there's your device. Most of the time, 9 times out of 10, it will say the name of your device and 4.0.1 or 4.0.2. Whatever it says, doesn't matter as of right now. Just go ahead and click on Save My SHSH. That way, your blobs will be saved to Cydia's server. So in the future, if you decide to downgrade or whatever the case may be, you will have the option to do so. Now, once it is saved it under 4.0.1, 4.0.2, you're going to want to click on the advanced options, and that will bring down another thing here. You got the request version, and request from, of course, Cydia. So you're going to click on the request version, and it's mine's already set to 4.1. So once it's there, you're going to go back up and click Save My SHSH again to 4.1. Once these have been successfully saved, you are going to wait for the message. Make sure that they're all successfully saved beforehand. Go ahead and click on Start TSS Server. Once that's running, go ahead and minimize that. Let me zoom out here. And you are going to go back into iTunes. Let iTunes pop up. It will recognize your phone and everything again. You can cancel the sync on your phone. I normally do anyway once it comes up because it just synced it 5 seconds ago. So go ahead and cancel out of that and X out of it. Alright, good to go. Here comes the fun part. Once it recognizes your phone, which it already has, go ahead and click on your device. Alright, let me get my phone number and stuff out here. Put the camera down for a second. Let me get situated, people. Alright, so just as always, as everybody else has done, custom restores and all that good stuff. Same thing. You are going to hold the Shift key on Windows and click on Restore, not Update, same as always, and Option key and click on Restore for Mac. All the while the TSS server is running in the background. Now, what this is going to do is trick iTunes into thinking that everything is good, blah, 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 blah. I don't need to explain all that right now. Basically, go ahead and click on the Shift key, Restore, Option key, Restore, and pick your firmware. If you don't have the 4.1 firmware, I'll have links in the description to where you can download that from. Alright, and yeah, Shift, click, Restore. It'll bring up, to search for the firmware. Search for the firmware, pick 4.1, and go ahead and select that one. It will prepare your phone for restore. Now, during this process, doesn't take that long, but you will be restoring and actually updating to 4.1. Meanwhile, preserving your baseband. Now, everybody gets this error. Don't panic. Don't freak out. Your phone will almost be done syncing, almost be done restoring, and a message will pop up, an error message 1005 or something like that. Anyways, that's normal. Everybody gets it. Don't worry. Don't panic. Alright, once you get that, just click OK. That's fine. Your phone will be in recovery mode. No problem. That's what we want it to do. The reason the error message is coming up is actually because there was a baseband fail. Basically, is what we want to happen. You don't want it to touch your baseband. Like I said, therefore, in the future, when you do jailbreak your phone, when the tool comes out, you can always unlock it and have that 1.59 baseband preserved. So, whenever you get the message and you are in recovery mode, go back down to your Tinyumbrella, and as you see where you clicked on your TSS server, where's my mouse at? Okay, yeah. Yeah, your TSS server will still be running. I see mine is grayed out right here, but yours actually won't be. You'll be in the recovery mode, so all you're going to do is, boom, click it on kick device out of recovery mode, and your phone will reboot. iTunes will recognize it. You can restore from a backup, although I prefer just starting up as a new phone, and that's fine. Once you do that, stop your TSS server. Let me zoom out here. And as long as your phone is active, which as soon as you kick it out of recovery mode, it reboots. It should be on the battery screen. It should be charging. It should say iPhone is active. Slide to unlock it. And then you've got your game center. And I'm not going to get into all the features. There's 20,000 videos on all the features of 4.1, HDR and all that good stuff. Anyways, so you will be updated to 4.1 software, all the while keeping your baseband at the 1.59. Like I said, version 4.1, scroll down, all the good stuff, firmware 1.59. Alright, and you have successfully updated your software, preserved your baseband, and you can always downgrade using the Tinyumbrella. SHSHs are saved, and you're good to go. So, just wanted to give you guys the heads up on that. Make sure to leave me comments down below, and as always, thumb it up, and don't forget to click on subscribe. Alright guys, I'll catch you later.